Hello, good day, and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 50. In a class of 60 students, 30 offer physics and 40 offer chemistry. If a student is picked at random from the class, what is the probability that the student offered both physics and chemistry? So what is the probability that the student offered both physics and chemistry? Now, option A says 1 over 3, B 1 over 4, C 1 over 2, and D 1 over 6. Now, the class is what's made up of 60 students, so total number of students is 60. Now, number of students that offered physics is equals to 30. Therefore, probability of those that offered physics is equals to 30 all over 60, which is equals to 1 over 2. Now, number of students that offered chemistry is equals to 40. Therefore, probability of students that offered chemistry is equals to what? 40 over 60, which is equal to 2 over 3. Now, the question says a student is picked at random from the class. What is the probability that the student offered both physics and chemistry? So, the probability that the student offered both physics and chemistry will be equal to what? The multiplication of probability of students that offered what? Physics, which is 1 over 2, multiplied by the probability of students that offered chemistry, 2 over 3. 2 will cancel 2, and that is equal to 1 over 3. So the answer to this question is option A, 1 over 3. Thank you, and God bless you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos in past questions.